reception, please, when we shall not work in checks. Reception, please, when we shall not work in
Mind you replacing uniform down that space, the usual time when they prepare the bar. First, to some director because it's the Mundijin short of the country.
And breathe normally. After putting on your armor, please help anyone around you who might need your assistance. Your life vest is located underneath your seat in a seat bag. Please do not remove it unless otherwise instructed. Move the virus from the pouch and pull it over your head. Attach the strap to the hook in front and pull it tight. After leaving the aircraft, pull firmly on the red handle for the virus to inflate. The life vest can also be inflated by blowing into this tube. Infant life vest should be inflated still inside the aircraft. And for further information, you'll find a safety instruction card in the seat pocket in front of you, which contains the important safety features of this aircraft. Thank you for attention and thank you, cabin crew. Ladies and gentlemen, you may now continue using electronic devices in flight mode only. If your device does not support this option, please switch it off completely. Laptops and any large electronic devices should be properly stored for takeoff landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is on for the duration of the flight. Please remember that charging your electronic devices support is strictly forbidden, and if you notice any problem with your device, such as smoke or overheating, please immediately contact the cabin crew. Thank you for attention, and we wish you a pleasant flight with us.
Cabin crew, take off.
30 minutes past 1 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we reach our final stop and the platform switches off the seatbelt sign for you. When you disembark the aircraft, please let the row in front of you disembark first and only afterwards reach towards the exit, trying to maintain social distance at all times. When you open the right compartment, open them carefully as protect the small form and cause you injuries. Once again, check the seat pockets in front of you for some personal content, which you may report with you on board. On behalf of today's captain and the rest of the entire team, we thank you for choosing Peter for today's flight. I hope to see you on board in the very near future. Until then, we wish you a pleasant stay in Albania. And for those of you in return journey, welcome home. Ladies and gentlemen, let us take this time to once again apologize for today's delay and any inconvenience caused by it. Thank you for attention and have a good night.
The previous one.